Hey guys, good morning. So today I am going to walk you through my planning routine and how I get ready for a new week. So I usually do this Sunday mornings, but today is Monday and I have yet to plan my week, which in all honesty makes me a little bit anxious. So I am gonna sit down and just bring you along and share with you how I plan my week. Okay, so let's get started. First, let me show you what I'm gonna be using. And I will just play some nice music for you guys in the background because usually this is what I do. So I just sit down at my desk and I put on my AirPods and I just listen to some calming meditation music and plan my week. So that's what we're gonna do together. But I wanted to show you what I'm using in December. So I've been asked a lot about this little notebook, and this is the Hobonichi Notebook that comes in the accessory pack. It comes with two notebooks, this one and a blue one, and then it comes with the pencil board, and it also comes with a cover. But that cover, it's a clear vinyl cover. That cover really doesn't work for the Hobonichi, so I'm not using it. I'm using another cover from Midori. So this is the one that I have currently in my Hobonichi, and it fits perfectly. But because this planner doesn't start until January 1st for 2022, I have been planning my weekly and my daily in here. So this is what we're going to be using. So first off, let me show you what it looks like. So it is completely blank. So I will go ahead and draw out my week. I have shared after the pens so you guys can see the layout that I'm using. And then I will draw out the week, I will plan it out, I will decorate it, I will use stickers, I will do everything that I do, and then I'll come back and I will walk you through my thought process. So relax, sit back, and enjoy the calming music. Okay, so what I've done right now is I've drawn with pencil because I do prefer to draw the separating lines in pencil. I just think that it's, it's a softer line versus pen. And what I'm gonna do right now is this is the Hobonichi layout. So I've left, space to just kind of mimic it so I can start practicing how to use it. And I'm gonna use, to label my weeks, I'm gonna use this sticker sheet from Paper Planning. So I'm gonna label week of here and write the week that we're in. I'm gonna use, to label the days, I'm gonna use this sticker sheet from Paper Panda. And then I had here, let me pull out my number sheets. So I have these sticker sheets from Paper Planning. They are the date dots, and I'm gonna use those to mark the days. And then these dots, I'm gonna use them up here so I can have a running task list for the week. And then I will use the December collection from Sterling Ink to decorate the week. And I really don't use a lot of decoration in the weekly because I feel that for me, it just distracts me from my tasks. I do use most of them in my daily, but you'll see it's very minimal. So, and I'll show you. See, I've also gotten questions about how I cut the stickers and just make them fit, and this is it. So this is how my Sterling ink sticker sheets look at the end of the month. So for example, for this one, this is an arrangement. So she does have different stickers that she offers. These are just elements, so they're the individual little just elements of the full collection. But then she has the little arrangements. So what I do is I just cut through in the middle, and then I just put the sticker, I just align it to the corner or to the box, wherever I want to place it. So I might do that so I can show you how I do it. Okay, so let me go ahead and start just making out my layout so you can see it come to life. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go in with pen, and because the Hobonichi layout is an hourly layout, here, let me show you. Let me give you a peek at my first spread here in January. So since the Hobonichi spread is an hourly, I am gonna go in and just mark down the hours that I need, and then here the bottom, I'm gonna do exactly what Julie from Julie's from Plan to Create, I'm sorry, she shared with us in one of her recent videos, and it's just lists. So I'm gonna go ahead and break up my page, and you'll see me number. You'll see me write down my lists and just put in the plans that I know are already happening. So we are already on winter break with the kiddos, so there's not a lot of homeschool activities going on, but I do have a couple of things that I know will happen this week. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna plug those in, and then my way of planning actually is just I plan as the things come up and as the day goes. So I will, in the morning of Tuesday, so tomorrow, for example, I will sit down here and add any things that I have not already planned and work my week like that. So it's more of, I don't really do a, plan out the whole week in advance because things change. So I will use sticky notes for things that I know that could possibly change. But other than that, you will just see me put in the things that are already set in my weekly spread, and if they do get canceled, I just cross them off. It's not a big deal. So I'm gonna go in and write the plans that I know I can do right now, and then my week will be done. Okay, so I am going to, I'm going to stop here because what I did is I went ahead. So right now it's around 11ish. So I went ahead and I just planned out my day here. I have added here this part for lunches. So in Julie's video, she actually does that for dinners because she pre-plans her dinners. For us, I pre-plan our lunches because we do have a meal service that we get every week. So we just pick whatever we like from the box and call it a day. It is the best. So I don't do that, but I moved it up and I made it work for myself. So this is what you see here in this right here, breaking up my day. Again, we just got back from our trip, so I have no idea what I'm feeding the kids in a couple of hours. So I have to go downstairs and see what we have. So I am going to just leave it like this, and I keep my planner open downstairs in our dining room table, and I go ahead and I fill out things that need to be filled out. But for the most part, this is how my week starts. So just to recap, I used some stickers from Papery Planning. I used stickers from Paper Panda, which I did go ahead and pull out some labels from Paper Panda, some gray ones. I used the days from Paper Panda as well, these labels, and then the December collection from Sterling Ink. So this is what I did. In real time, this usually takes me like 20 minutes. And I have my week planned. So this is it, you guys. This is how I get ready for a new week. I hope you were able to find some value in this video. If you like seeing more videos like this, even though I don't do a full-on plan with me, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be sure to definitely add it to my video rotation. But this is it for me. Thank you so much for joining me. If you want to see more videos like this, please turn on your notifications and subscribe so you don't miss my next video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Bye guys, have a great week. I will catch you next time. Bye guys, have a nice week. I will catch you next time.